my channel. In today's video, I'm going to open up some Happy Mail. This was sent to me by one of my BFFs, Elizabeth. She is Bitty Bitty Bum Bum right here on YouTube. And so we had a Christmas swap, and she has already received mine, and I'm gonna go ahead and link you to her video of her unboxing and also her channel link in the area right underneath this video. And I tell you, I am so loving doing swaps right now because it's just so relaxing and so much fun. And so anywho, let's see what Elizabeth made. I know that she had a ton of videos out with all of the sorts of embellishments and everything. Oh, these are very useful, and everything that she was making for the swap. This was like what, a three-way swap, yes. And so I am so excited. I'm looking forward to. Okay, let me just go ahead and remove this from the box, and look how pretty she packaged everything. How pretty. I need to reuse this box because I have another swap I need to send out. And so let me go ahead and put this here. I just need to kind of like fix this over here. And oh, let me show you something what I made, and y'all tell me if you want me to do a tutorial on this. Look at here. Isn't this the cutest thing? This is an ephemera box that I made. And I did buy a is it a PDF file? I suppose it is. Anyway, I did purchase a file on Etsy, and the lady has all sorts of designs and everything, and I just loved it. And I think that the second one that I'm going to make first, I'm going to have to double it up, because if you just do, like, you know, even your heavyweight cardstock is still kind of flimsy. And this was just kind of like me testing the waters on something like this, but it was so easy and so simple to put it together. So let me know in the comment section if you would like me to go ahead and share with you the shop and show you how I went about in making this. I love it. It's so shabby. And so anyway, let's look at this over here. Look at this goodness. I just love it, love it, love it, love it. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, she made a cup. Oh my goodness, she made a cup. Sorry about the crinkling. Oh, and we have some hot cocoa. Look at this. Look how pretty this is. Look how pretty. And in the back, at the bottom, she put the stamp. And we have some como se dice, the bastón. And we have some mint here. And look at how she made this. Isn't this the cutest thing? I'm a little teacup, short and stout. Oh, it's a teapot, not teacup. But anyways, it's so cute. I love it. I love it. I love it. Look how she embellished it. I love it. And over here, she gave me some bling. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, a chunky monkey. I love it. I love it. I love it. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh. It's been a year since I asked Elizabeth to sell me a chunky monkey charm. And I know that she is one busy lady. Oh my goodness. And so, yeah, look at this. And I know that Elizabeth, when she first started out on YouTube, and Elizabeth, correct me if I'm wrong, she started out with jewelry. And as a matter of fact, at one point, she did own her own jewelry shop. And so, oh my gosh, look at this. Look, it's so beautiful. So you may want to hit her up if you want to purchase some makes from her. And I know that she's also doing resin pieces, and I know that she sells, but I don't know how much time she has on her hands to make them, but she makes some of the most absolutely beautiful pieces. And oh my gosh, I am so in love with this. I love it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness. And look over here. Look over here. She made me a, here, this one wants to kind of like fall off. There we go. She made me another one. Look. And this is perfect for my planner. Let me just stick it right here because she knows how much I love planners and traveler's notebooks. Oh my gosh. This is going to go on my Aura Estelle. Aura Estelle, where are you? Where are you? Right here. I have yet to do a flip through of my Aura Estelle, but just to like kind of like show you what I've done here so far. I love this, I love this, I love this, I love this. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And yeah, I will do a flip through when I have some time. But see, look it. I love this. And this somehow I'm going to figure out how to add something here. And I also want to add something here. So yeah. Oh my goodness. I love this. I love this. I love this. I'm so in love with this. I'm holding it close to my heart right now, Elizabeth. Thank you so much. And yum, yum, yum. I love hot chocolate. Oh my gosh. No way. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, she gifted me a die, an LDRS Creative Majestic Rectangle Labels 4-piece die set. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, it's so pink. I love it. I love it. You know, I was thinking the other day, I was telling my husband, if ever I'm to come out with my own brand of products, I would love to have them in pink, in a pastel pink. Oh my goodness, I love it. I love that. I would love my packaging to be so pastel pink. I love this. Here, let me get it out of the, whatchamacallit, the bag, so that way you're not looking at glare. Look how pretty this is. This is so super beautiful. I love this. Thank you so much, Elizabeth. So we have a set of dies, and oh, these are cute bags. And over here, this is her loaded pocket, because that was our swap loaded pockets. And look how gorgeous she made it. And this is the back to it. I love this. I love this. More stuff for my planner. And see, and something this little, I tell you guys, I am so super planner crazy, you know, and I bet you anything that if I was working at some home office as an executive or something, I wouldn't even have a planner. And I have like a gazillion of them, and I did get rid of a few of them. That one right there would go on my mini one. I tell you guys, Elizabeth, I am so planner crazy. How many planners does a girl need? I think I just like to decorate them, and once I'm done decorating them, see, here's this one, and I will do a flip through of this one as well. But this is perfect for here. Look it. Oh, how cute! How cute! Look it! How perfectly cute! Look at that! Isn't that the cutest thing? I'm so giddy. I am so giddy. I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay, calm down, Sandy. Hang on a second. What happened here? I did something here. I don't know what I done here, but yeah, here is this is supposed to be up in the front, but see, that's how excited I am. Elizabeth, you just make me so messed up. Okay, so this goes there. Calm down. And look how, whoa, oh my gosh, she made it standing. It stands. Oh, how cute. Okay, let's say what she says. Hi, Sandy. I pray that when you receive this, it finds you and yours well. I had so much fun creating this and the embellishments for you. I hope you like them and can put them to good use. You know I will, girlfriend. May God bless you and your family. Crafty hugs, Elizabeth. Oh, thank you so much. Once again, I'm holding it close to my heart. Thank you so much, and thank you for doing this with me. You and Anna and Rosa. So it's a four-way swap, yeah. And so, cause I know it takes time out from your busy lives, you know, and yeah, thank you so very much, all of you ladies who've swapped with me this month, because it's like it's an escape for me, and I hope that it is also an escape for y'all, and in creating something beautiful and doing something that comes from you, it just means so much to me. And so let's see. Oh my goodness. I love this. Look at oh my goodness, here. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I love this. Oh my goodness. This is so cute. And you know what? And this is something that I can also use in my planner when decorating it. Yeah. Well, see, I'm already showing you the way it looks, but this is so super cute. I made a whatchamacallit, a shake it all you can. Shake it like a milkshake. Shaker pocket. I could put this here. I love it. Thank you so much. Thank you. I'm still trying to figure out what is it that I did here. I did something here that just kind of like, I don't know. It just, and then the Prima thing went upside down. Here, oh, I see. Okay, there we go. But I love this. And we have some little tags that she cut out for me. And that is great because I went ahead and I also purchased this collection. And look at these. This is so pretty. And look, we have some some foiled and embossed lettering. It says holidays. Some tickets. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. Some tickets. And she made it dimensional. Look. She made it dimensional. A lot of work, a lot of love went into this. Look at that. Look at how she made that. Okay, and so over here we have some tinsel. I really like how the ladies are, whatchamacallit, adding tinsel to it. As a matter of fact, I have Anna's right here, right behind the camera. Hang on a second. Because I have this thing that I mounted up on my wall to become to look at when I'm crafting and to be inspired. See, this is the other one. This is the one that Anna made for me, and I love how she did the tinsels and everything, and I just love stuff like this. And so anyways, yeah, it is so super pretty. And here, and we have, is this resin? Elizabeth, did you make this? I think this is a resin piece, y'all. It's so pretty. It's so super pretty. Maybe I can add this to this. Here, I just keep pulling stuff out. This is a Christmas card. Whenever y'all send me cards, you may not see them all the time, but just, I want you to know that I hold on to them, okay? This card was made to me, was made for me by Shabby Pink House, and this is back from 2017, y'all. And so I just have it right here as a decorative piece, and look, this can go right along here like so. Yeah, so yeah. I do love card making, and this is just one of, you know, I rotate the inspirations. So thank you so much for that. And here we have more of the cut aparts. This is so pretty. I just love this paper. I'm almost through using it too. And over here we have another embellishment. Put that to the side so it doesn't glare. Look how pretty. Look how pretty. It's so super pretty. Oh my goodness. I just love this. And I remember watching her videos. She was talking about her Christmas tree die and her Bambi die and how much she just loves her Bambi. It is so absolutely cute. And I like how she mounted this on mesh, and then she did this thing with the paper underneath. This is so super pretty, honey. It's so super cute. Thank you so much. Oh, see, it's the same thing as over here. And what else do we have? We have more snowflakes, resin snowflakes. And let me just make sure that I have everything out. Such beautiful paper. And look how she decorated her pocket. And you know what? The way she made this, I can use it in a mini album. Because you know what I'm doing too? I'm taking stuff that y'all have sent me from years past, and I want to collect, like, let's say I have a bunch of pink shabby stuff, you know. I want to take all that stuff and turn it into a mini album or something like that, you know. And I think that if I was to mount this on a page, it would make a great pocket thing in a dimensional mini album. Yeah, and look how she did the fake snow. I like it. I like it. It's very, very pretty. So yeah, that's an idea. And so, see, something like this with something, I could use these in a mini album. Okay, so yeah, and oh my goodness, oh gosh, there's one more thing for my planner here, because I don't have a separator thingamajiggy. I just love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. See, my planner's becoming very decorative and so forth. And look at this. This is so super pretty. Let me go ahead and open it. And oh my goodness, how lovely is this? Oh my gosh, I love it, I love it, I love it. Okay. Oh my goodness, look at that. Look at that. Look how pretty. Oh, I love this. I love this tree, Elizabeth. Thank you so much. So, oh my gosh, yeah, look at all these beautiful goodies that she's made for me. And thank you so much, ladies, for swapping with me. I appreciate you all. Thank you, thank you, thank you, honey. And I hope that we get to do this again next year. And my love to you and your family. Have a wonderful Christmas. Have a safe Christmas, and I love you so much. Mwah. Talk to you soon. Bye now.